only way that you can consistently win is by getting... Hello, my chancellors of chance, my ladies of luck, my guys of good will win, they lose. I don't know, you will lose on this app. I've been getting a lot of questions of people asking me, like, is this legit, or sending me messages, on like some other platforms even, about like how to get their money out or something. And like, man, I really want to stress that no one should be playing this game to make money. Like, there's a million online side hustles you can start for free that are way better than this. Like, this is not a way to, you will lose money in the long run. The algorithm is designed that way. Like, yeah, you can have momentary victories, and you might be able to stop playing at that peak in your earnings curve, but most likely what's gonna happen is you're gonna keep playing because it's fun, and they're really good at what they do, and then you're gonna lose it. And then, you know, you will never eventually take money out. So like, this is not a way to make money. Let's be very clear about that. But there are things that you can do, that being said, to increase your chances of winning the game. Because like, there is a winner of each one of these games, and they do actually give you this money, and you can actually pull it out. And there are ways that you can increase the likelihood of you being that person, but you don't have enough power, you don't have enough levers and control over the system of like the luck behind it. That smart playing will always net you that. Like, there is no hack that's like, and here's how to always win with bingo. Like, no, that does not exist. Anyone saying that is full of shit, unless they like hacked this thing or something, I don't know. But you can, it is legit, you can actually get money out of it. I have pulled money out of this app, I promise you. So before I play a game here and hop in and show you kind of like the best way to do it, hopefully we get lucky. You can see I've got $7.5 up there at the upper right hand corner right now. Like, okay, I want to pull that out. I hit the little human figure over here, and there's this little withdraw tab. What? I can't actually pull any out. Why is that? Because this game is very clever. They're very good at keeping your money. Like I said, this is not a money earning app. And what this is I have my other video, there's a sign up link in there. Every time you join up with that link, the one in this episode's description as well, it gives you a free $1 for using my link. It also gives me a free $1. And those are called bonus dollars. They have this invented currency within the game called bonus dollars that are real dollars. You can use them as if you would use dollars in the game, but they are not withdrawable. So you'll see deals that'll be like, put in $5 of your real money into this game, and you'll get $5 of play money and $3 of bonus bucks. You would never be able to pull out those $3 of bonus bucks. They're basically a very tricky and cleverly hid in-game currency that have nothing to do with dollars. That's what that $7.5 is up there. Now, it does give me access to some higher stakes games, just like dollar bills would, so they have a higher value, but I will never be able to pull it out. Here's another thing that a lot of people don't understand, is like, you pay an entry fee to play the game, right? So let's say I'm over here and I want to play this game for $12. The $12 prize pool, which will be distributed among the top 3 winners. There's a $4 fee. Well, if I'm in the position 3rd, you know, I probably am not going to get $4 back. I'm probably going to get like $2.50. So really, I lost $1.50. I didn't win. You're still losing. So it's like, the number 1 position, he's probably getting $6-7, and he's winning $2. You're never getting back your entry fee. So like, keep that in your mind when you're doing the math of like, man, I made $80 today. Like, no, you didn't. If you're not counting the lost dollars there. So remember, you pay to play always. They win always. Let's play this one. This is a limited time only. There's only 4 players in there, so let's do that. $4. Thanks for signing up using my link so I can play the game, because I would never want to put money here. Okay, so what we want to do is see how each ball is a color, and at the top of each row there is a corresponding color. So you don't have to look over the whole board in order to see the map, just the rows that are associated with, or the columns I should say, they're associated with that color. Because the faster I hit these little guys down here, the more points I'm going to get. And more importantly, the faster it's going to fill up this little power-up bar and give me those little goodies. And the only way that you can consistently try to win is by getting the double times points thing, and then saving up your bingos, using your double points, and then smashing all the bingos right at the end. But that doesn't happen every game. So there's like I said, there's not enough that you can control here to make this something I would ever recommend you do, because you need money. This is not that. So like, if you're gonna leave a comment that's like, is this legit? Should I do this to make money? No, the answer is no, you should not. Man, we're just getting See how I'm getting like the amazings, and I'm getting these all the time. I don't have a double thing there. You want those amazings. That's the best way to get that, because you get them a lot faster here. And I'm only looking at the row. I remember the first like 50 games I played, I didn't know that. So I was just looking over the whole board. It would take me forever to find them. Now I'm just smashing amazings because I'm amazing. No, I'm just looking at a very small area of the board. Oh, that's not an amazing. Talking big smack over here. You get this 51, and I know that 51's coming, so make sure you get an amazing on that, right? Because I selected it, so it's like I know it's coming. Boom. Oh man, we're just getting these guys, which are good, but not when I see, like, right now I have a bingo with all 4 corners, but I'm not going to hit it because if I get a double points later, I can just hit them all at the same time and then stack all of those points. So that's like the only viable strategy I can really figure out, besides like being fast and like, you know, setting yourself up to be fast, to reliably, in any sort of fashion, not even reliably, but just, you know, win more often than maybe not. But you're still not winning enough that you're making consistent money. 8, okay, and don't ever not hit your bingos too. I've failed on that front before, so make sure you give yourself 10, 15 seconds. You know, I was playing a little close to the chest there. See, I'm not gonna win anything this game. Like, almost guaranteed. Unless some what? Wow, crazy. I'm actually shocked on that. Like 6,000 is like, it must have been just like a poor game for everybody. Wow, the main person won by only a couple hundred points. Because like typically if I'm like 10,000 or something, there's like some 16,000 who like filled out their whole board and had a double pointer and then like did it intelligently. And you're like, how'd you get 24,000 points, you know? So, and keep in mind every time you're like, I'm so smart. It's like, yeah, but there's probably also like 200 other thousand people playing this game that have like sunk a lot more money into it than hopefully you have. And they probably learned like, they probably got some finely tuned bingo reflexes. So I don't know, keep our hubris in check and keep our wallets close, my friends. And that is what I would recommend to you. Again, there's a link below. If you do want to play, it will give you $1 when you join at the game, and it'll give me $1, which is awesome. Oh, you know what? Let's not end this. Let me show you the money. Let me show you the money. Okay, so it's getting me all these little things. They have constantly tournaments going. So there's like always a new, like right now there's like a Viking one. And so it's like giving me extra stuff because we're in like a tournament, which is just a big gimmick to try to get you to gamify your way up the ranks of the tournament, which is not this. This is just the, oh nice, getting 90 cents, that's cool. That's just me leveling up the overall thing. But here's like the tournament, which they always have one going. So it's like limited time. It's like, no, yeah, they always have one of those. They always try to collect. Who even knows what that means? Oh, I get some extra things. Cool. A lot of juice from that round. Awesome. Yeah, see, they always try to like, hey, check this out. Winner's tip. Give us more money and you'll win more. I'm like, play more and you win more. Like, no, you will lose more. So if I click up there, you know, this is the, oh gosh, I'm all over the place, guys. There we go. This is like the current tournament that they're doing, you know, and the more you get these little like arrows, which like you just play more and you get more of those little arrows, and then there's like one grand prize winner at the end of like these couple day long tournaments. So whoever played the most, whoever like statistically lost the most money is going to win that $75. I almost guarantee you they're paying more than they are getting it, so don't let that be a carrot that pulls your horse any. So now I'm going to hit the little human down here at the bottom, and now in the withdrawal, you saw at the beginning there was no money and there was 50 cents. I don't know why the other $4 aren't there. Whatever. Oh, those sneaky bastards, I'll tell you exactly why. It's because I paid $4 to play in the game. So they're filling up the like bonus money with, they counted 4 of those or 3 of those dollars that I won as the bonus dollars that I wasn't able to withdraw. So that's just another trick they do. It's like they didn't have to necessarily tell us, maybe it's deep in their terms and conditions, that like if you spend bonus dollars to play a game, any winnings that you receive up to that amount of your entry fee will be considered as bonus dollars. That's a rule that I just learned. So since I only got 50 cents positive that whole game, since I had to pay to play, I can only withdraw the 50 cents. That is the math. So yeah, there's another thing we all just learned right then. Look at that. What a learning experience for everyone this has been. I hope you guys are having a great day. All right, see you later.